The universe constantly sends us clues and signals before the things we wish to happen. This may appear weird and difficult to believe. The truth is that we've undoubtedly observed these hints previously, but we may have ignored them. The universe is conspiring to get you exactly what you want. The universe acts as a helper, ensuring that you get precisely what you hope for. It adheres to the principle of the law of attraction. According to the law of attraction, our thoughts determine what we receive in life. When we think about things that make us joyful and hopeful, we send forth positive energy into the universe, and the universe responds by sending us good things. These wonderful things can be pleasant experiences, situations, or opportunities to do good. When we think positively, we feel better on the inside, which can lead to general happiness. And happiness is vital because it attracts more positive things into our lives. However, when you have negative thoughts, you give out negative energies that correspond to those thoughts. And if we think negative ideas, we will feel worse and attract negative things. Our mind records all kinds of thoughts, whether they're bad or good. These thoughts are stored in a part of our mind called the subconscious. This subconscious mind takes these thoughts and sends them to the universe. Then, the universe answers back by giving us things based on our thoughts. If we want to get what we truly want, we need to make sure our subconscious and our desires match up. When they match, we become sure about what we want in life. Then we can ask the universe for what we want. The universe listens to us and helps make our wishes come true. The universe believes that we should get what we desire. The universe is like a friend who's always by our side to help us out. It believes you deserve everything, the money you desire, the love you want, and the health and happiness you need. But sometimes, some of us don't think we deserve these things. The universe is sending us a special kind of energy, like good vibes, to help us make the things we want become real. The universe is cheering us on to make our dreams come true. The main thing that can stop you from getting what you want is your thoughts. Sometimes, the negative thoughts in your head can make things difficult and keep you from moving forward. The resisting thought, or I am not enough thoughts, or let's say I don't deserve these thoughts, are resisting us from having that desired life we have always wanted. Thoughts that make you believe you can't do it or don't deserve it can hold you back. It's like they put a wall in front of you. Also, if you're scared of failing or making mistakes, that can stop you from trying new things that could be good for you. But here's the good news: you can make things better. You just need to get rid of those negative thoughts and feelings. The only thing that you need to do is practice the way you think about yourself, about your life. When you do that, you're opening the door for good things to happen, and the universe can help you make your wishes come true. If you've wished for something with a strong belief and no uncertainty, the universe makes those wishes come true. And as you move closer to making your dreams happen, the universe will give you 3 clear signals. These signals are like strong confirmations, not just maybe hints, but solid signs that show you're getting very close to getting what you've wanted. The first signal is when you notice numbers like 1111, 222, or 1234. They are called angle numbers, and when you see numbers in sequence and frequently, you need to understand that the universe has got your back. These numbers show up one after the other, like 1, 2, 3, and so on, up to 4 or 5. But if you're seeing a lot of 1s and 2s in a row, or you keep seeing many sequences, that's a strong sign that what you want is getting closer to happening. You might see these numbers anywhere, like on license plates, TV screens, or even on your phone. It doesn't matter where you see them. These numbers are messages from the universe. It's the universe's way of telling you something good is coming your way. The number 1111 is like a strong signal that shows you're in a really good position to make what you want happen. When you see the number 222, it's about close relationships, like with family, friends, or partners. In my opinion, This number often indicates couples because it has the number 2 in it, and 2 means couples. If you're thinking about someone and see this number, it means your manifestation is getting closer to coming true. When you see a lot of number 2s together, it's like a sign about your goals or what you want to achieve. If you've been wanting to reach your goals for a long time and you've been working hard to make them happen, then seeing the number 222 is like a signal that you're close to reaching those goals. And when the numbers are in order, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, it indicates that things are progressing. Seeing these numbers is a sign from the universe that wonderful things are on their way. The second sign is that you are feeling more positive. Your attitude is changing from negative to positive. In the past, your thoughts might have been mostly negative, but all of a sudden things change, and your thoughts become more positive and uplifting. You used to worry a lot about what you would do if you lost your job, but now things have changed. You don't worry about that anymore. Instead, you think that if you do lose your job, you could start your own business and make it successful. This change is a good thing because it makes you more clear about exactly what you want. And the best thing is that you no longer feel worry or fear. Instead, your mind is filled with good vibes and positive energy. The third sign is you have physical dreams. These dreams feel like they're happening for real, and they're about the things you want. Here's an example. Let's say you've wanted a shiny new car. Well, in your dreams, you might see yourself getting that exact car. Or let's imagine you've been looking for a job with a nice salary. You might have a dream where you're getting that job and getting paid well for it. These dreams start to happen because our subconscious mind is sending your desires to the universe, and the universe is replying your desires will be fulfilled soon. When we start to notice these signs, it's important to become even more thankful. Keep a feeling of being grateful for what you already have and also for the things that are on the way. Each night, before you go to sleep, try to remember and write down around 20 to 30 things that you feel thankful for having. This will help you remember all the nice things you already have in your life. Doing this can make you feel even happier and more thankful. When you're thankful, your positive vibrations increase, and when you have strong positive vibrations, the universe acts faster to make things happen for you. Once you notice these signs and feel thankful, it's time to be open to actually getting what you wish for. Sometimes, even though we want something, we still don't end up getting it. This can happen because we start to doubt whether our wishes will come true or not. Sometimes, when we're close to making our wishes happen, we stop ourselves from getting what we want because we start to doubt our minds. But here's the key: to truly start making your wishes come true, you need to be super clear about what you want. But here's the key: to truly start making your wishes come true, you need to be super clear about what you want. Imagine exactly what you want in your mind and create a movie in your head. Think about how it would look, how it would make you feel, and how it would make your life better. This helps make your wishes stronger and more likely to happen. The universe is showing you these signs to make sure you're prepared to get something good. So when you see these signs, make sure to notice them and be all set to get what you've wished for. Don't ignore these signs that the universe is sending to you.